In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows Fax and Scan on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Optional. Best result should come back with Manage Optional Features. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to go and select the Add a Feature button at the top. Search for Windows Fax. Best results should come back with Windows Fax and Scan. Check mark next to that and select Add. Give that a moment to install here. And then once that's done, you will need to close out of here and then restart your computer, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.